Hello everyone! Welcome back to Encyclocapsule, and today we're diving into a celestial controversy that has sparked debates and discussions for years. That's right, we're venturing into the chilly edges of our solar system to visit a world that once held the title of the ninth planet. Pluto, a celestial body that was once part of our planetary family, has been the center of a cosmic debate that has left many of us scratching our heads. What happened? Why was Pluto demoted from its planetary status? Well, the answer lies in a story filled with discovery, classification, and scientific advancement. It's a tale that takes us from the observatory where Pluto was first spotted, to the meeting rooms where astronomers decided its fate. So, buckle up, stargazers, as we embark on a journey to unravel the cosmic secrets surrounding Pluto's planetary status. To understand the controversy, we need to go back to the early days of Pluto's discovery. Picture this. It's the year 1930. The world is in the grip of the Great Depression, and yet, amidst the global turmoil, a beacon of hope emerges from the Lowell Observatory in Flagstaff, Arizona. A young astronomer named Clyde Tombaugh, with nothing more than a homemade telescope and relentless determination, discovers a new celestial body in our solar system. This discovery was hailed as a significant breakthrough. The ninth planet, Pluto, had finally made its cosmic debut. Pluto, named after the Roman god of the underworld, was a fitting name for such a distant, mysterious entity. Its discovery was met with awe and excitement, and for 76 years, Pluto enjoyed its status as the ninth planet, the outermost sentinel of our solar system. School children memorized its place in the planetary lineup alongside Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Pluto was a part of the planetary family, a symbol of human curiosity, and our yearning to explore the cosmos. But as time passed, and our understanding of the universe deepened, so did our questions about Pluto. Astronomers started to wonder, was Pluto really like the other planets? The more we learned about Pluto and its neighborhood, the more it seemed to stand out. Pluto was much smaller than any other planet, even smaller than our moon. Its orbit was more elliptical and more tilted. And then, there was the discovery of the Kuiper Belt, a distant region of the solar system beyond Neptune that is home to many small icy bodies. Pluto, it turned out, was just one of many in this vast cosmic neighborhood. As we ventured further into the 21st century, our knowledge of the cosmos grew exponentially. New technologies allowed us to peer deeper into space, revealing more about the enigmatic Pluto. And with this knowledge came a celestial controversy that would rock our understanding of the solar system. However, as our understanding of the cosmos expanded, so did the questions surrounding Pluto's true nature. In 2006, the International Astronomical Union, also known as the IAU, set down 3 specific criteria for an object to be considered a full-fledged planet. Let's break down these criteria to understand what they mean. Firstly, a planet must orbit the sun. That's straightforward, isn't it? Every object in our solar system, from the smallest piece of space debris to the mighty Jupiter, is bound by the gravitational pull of the sun. Pluto too follows this rule, tracing a long elliptical path around our star. The second criterion is that the object must be spherical or nearly so. Now this doesn't mean that a planet must be a perfect sphere, but it should be close. This is why asteroids and comets with their irregular shapes don't make the cut. Pluto, with its round shape, also checks this box. But here comes the third criterion, the one that's caused all the controversy. To be considered a planet, an object must have cleared its neighborhood of other debris. In simpler terms, it means the planet must be the dominant gravitational force in its orbit, sweeping away or capturing other smaller objects in its path. Now this is where Pluto falls short. You see, Pluto is located in the Kuiper Belt, a region beyond Neptune teeming with countless icy bodies. Pluto's mass is less than even 1/100th of the mass of the objects in its orbit. In other words, it's like a small fish in a big pond, unable to clear its path of other debris. So, while Pluto meets the first 2 criteria of planethood, it stumbles on the third one. It's like a contestant in a talent show who sings and dances beautifully but fumbles in the question-answer round. This last criterion is where Pluto faced its biggest challenge. It's the reason why, in the eyes of the IAU, Pluto was reclassified from a planet to a dwarf planet, a decision that, as we all know, sparked a wave of discussions and debates in the scientific community and beyond. Pluto's orbit is different from the 8 classical planets. Picture a racetrack with 8 lanes, all running parallel to each other. And then there's this one mischievous runner who decides to take an elliptical path, even crossing into someone else's lane. That's Pluto. the rebellious maverick of our solar system. Its orbit is more elliptical, and it's tilted compared to the nearly circular orbits of the planets. Not only does Pluto's orbit cross Neptune's, but it also takes Pluto a whopping 248 Earth years to complete one trip around the Sun. Now, where is Pluto running this eccentric race? It's in the Kuiper Belt, a vast region beyond Neptune filled with billions of icy bodies. And here's where Pluto stumbles. It hasn't cleared its lane. It's not alone. The Kuiper Belt is a crowded field, and Pluto is just one of the many runners. This raised a significant question. Did Pluto clear its orbit of debris? In 2006, the IAU officially reclassified Pluto as a dwarf planet. Now, what exactly is a dwarf planet? Well, it's a celestial body that shares many characteristics with the planets in our solar system. It orbits the Sun and has enough mass to assume a nearly round shape. However, the key distinction is that a dwarf planet has not cleared the neighborhood around its orbit, which means it's mingling with other space debris in its path. This is the category where Pluto finds its place, not quite fitting the mold of a traditional planet. And Pluto isn't alone in this cosmic category. Other dwarf planets in our solar system include Eris, the most massive known dwarf planet, Haumea with its peculiar elongated shape, and Makemake, another inhabitant of the distant Kuiper Belt. This term includes objects that meet the first two criteria but fail the third, like Pluto. So, there you have it. The reasons why Pluto is no longer considered a planet. We've journeyed back in time to Pluto's discovery and discussed the criteria for planethood established by the International Astronomical Union. We've learned that it's not about size, but about the ability to dominate an orbital zone, a criterion that Pluto unfortunately didn't meet. This led to its reclassification as a dwarf planet, a term for celestial bodies that meet the first two criteria but fail the third. While this may have stirred up a cosmic controversy, it's a reminder that our understanding of the universe is ever evolving. Scientific classifications, though sometimes controversial, are crucial in our quest to understand the cosmos. Thank you for joining us today on EncycloCapsule. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out our other cosmic explorations. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the universe. This is EncycloCapsule, signing off.